morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Sasikant Kumar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at Muzaffarpur Institute of Technology, Muzaffarpur. Today, I am going to discuss about the high volume fly ash self-compacting concrete with silica fume in this video lecture. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the influence of supplementary cementitious material on self-compacting concrete, distinguish between the effect of high volume fly ash and silica fume on the fresh and hardened properties, design binary and ternary self-compacting concrete mixes, identify the optimum replacement level of for achieving maximum compressive strength, and analyze ACM and XRD result to understand the microstructural changes caused by the fly ash and silica fume. So we have to start the lecture. Self-compacting concrete is a special type of concrete which undergo without vibration with its own weight. For achieving this property, self-compacting concrete need more finer material. With the result, with the help of for this, we need extra binding material so that uh, for getting the more reducing the cement, we have to add supplementary cementitious material so that we can reduce the cost and CO2 emission. Self-compacting concrete has property of filling ability, passing ability, and segregation resistance. Use of supplementary cementitious material like fly ash and silica fume can reduce the cost and CO2 emission. For preparing the self-compacting concrete, our main goal to improve the fresh properties, hardened properties, and microstructural property while reducing CO2 emission. Objective of the achieving self-compacting concrete to study the effect of high volume fly ash and silica fume on SCC properties, evaluate fresh properties, slump flow, T500, V-funnel, J-ring, and L-boxes. Access the hardened property like compressive strength and tensile strength. Analyze microstructural properties by SEM analysis and XRD analysis. Identify the optimal fly ash silica fume replacement level. Methodology. For getting the self-compacting concrete, we have followed the special type of methodology in which here we have mixed two type of mixes, binary mixes and ternary mixes. In binary mixes, OPC replaced with fly ash or silica fume, fly ash replacement from 40 to 80% and silica fume replacement up to 2 to 10%. In ternary mixes, OPC replacement with fly ash and silica fume, fly ash replacement 40 to 80% plus silica fume replacement up to 8%. Water binder ratio had been fixed up to 0.36. Then superplasticizer doses is fixed 2.2% for achieving the workability. And then FNAR guideline has been followed for fresh properties, achieving the fresh properties, and hardened property has been evaluated by testing at 14 days, 28 days, and 56 days, compressive strength and tensile strength at 28 days. After getting the fresh property, the test, that means T500 test, J-ring test, V-funnel test, and L-box test, we have to analyze the result, and slump flow becomes 500, 750 plus minus 200 mm, 20 mm, and fly ash increase the flowability and reduce viscosity. When silica fume is used, then it improves the segregation resistance but increase the viscosity. Ternary blend shows consistent and stable for flow behavior. Now hardened properties, when fly ash is used, then yearly days strength is lower at 28 days, but when silica film is used, Then early days strength and long days strength are improved, and we get the target strength. Optimum compressive strength at 6 to 8% replacement level of fly ash has been achieved, and ternary blend mix, ternary SCC mix fly containing fly ash and silica fume outperform the binary mixes. Here microstructural analysis, in which XRD analysis has been done. Mullite and quartz peak are observed, and after 28 days strength, after 28 days XRD analysis and 90 days XRD analysis, we get the reduction in peak of quartz and mullite, which shows that secondary reaction has been uh, going on after long term, and it will give the later edge strength. And silica fume reduce the unhydrated calcium hydroxide, and secondary CSS gel will be formed when silica fume is used. In SEM analysis, CSS gel formation when silica fume is used is in very high quantity, so early days strength is also improved. Ternary mix produce high compacted microstructure with improved ITZ, that means interfacial transition zone. Summary of this video is you have to learn about the high volume fly ash and silica fume can partially replace cement in SSC mixes. Fly ash improve workability and long-term strength. Silica fume enhance the early days strength and microstructure. Ternary blend, that means fly ash silica fume with OPC, shows superior performance, and sustainable and cost-effective alternative of OPC is high volume fly ash self compacting concrete. And these are some reference where I have taken these content. Thank you so much.